So now I've clicked on the number and I'm just going to look through the list. I'm going to say, is there anything in here? Did I deposit any money? Like this is a really good example. This Hicks Hardware, $24, it's an expense. That's not an income. This is some sort of expense for my business. And so if you find anything that's in here and it's in the wrong spot, no problem. That's why we're double checking. You can click anywhere on this line. All of this is a hyperlink to the one transaction. So I'm just going to click on the 8 because that's where I'm at. I can see it's expense number 8. I can see that money went to Hicks Hardware, $24. I can see the reason money went to Hicks Hardware is because of landscaping and services income, but really this wasn't an income at all. So what I want to do is I want to click the drop down and change it to what it should have been. In this example, I'm going to pick cost of goods sold. I don't know what it should have been because this is a make-believe QuickBooks file. But you'll know when you spend the money, why did you spend the money? So who got the money? Where did the money come from? When did it happen? And what's the reason that that money was issued? When you're happy, click Save and Close. You would repeat the process for any mistakes you find on the list. And then to get back where you started, just scroll up. When you scroll up and you get to the upper left-hand corner, you can click on Back to Report Summary, and you can continue to look through the report. So let me see if I can find any other things. Here's an example, maintenance and repair. I can see in March I spent $900, but I didn't spend any money before or after. Since I know my business, I would know if I had to repair a piece of equipment. And also, with any luck, we're not doing that every month. So this is the type of thing that I would expect to see, 000 followed by a number, followed by more zeros. If you're looking for any mistakes you might have made so you can correct them. If you have anything down here in miscellaneous, for example, this $250, you might realize that that wasn't where you intended to put the $250. So you can click on it, and then I'll show you a list, and I'll say, okay, the $250, it's because of this one bill to Hicks Hardware. You can click on this anywhere on that line and just change line number 1. So we're going to say this was building repairs and Save and Close. And then back to Report Summary. Now you can see that it's no longer in miscellaneous. So again, the purpose of this video is just to take people who have either taken a hiatus from doing their own bookkeeping or who've suddenly taken over the bookkeeping and give you just a very, very small introduction to what you can be doing so that it doesn't feel quite so overwhelming. So I just want to recap for you what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to go to the checking accounts and credit card accounts and savings accounts and just organize anything that's here on your to-do list. Once you've organized the stuff in the to-do list, I'm asking you to look and see, do these top and bottom numbers match? Then the next thing I'm asking you to do is to double check your numbers. And the way you're going to double check your numbers is by reconciling your bank account. So on the left-hand side, you'll go to Accounting, and then you'll go down to Reconcile. You'll grab your bank statement from online banking. You'll verify the beginning balance matches your bank statement. You'll enter your ending balance and the ending date. The last time we reconciled this account, the statement date was 1/31. So the next time we reconcile, the statement date is probably going to be 2/28 and then 3/31 and so forth. To get to your profit and loss, you'll click on Reports on the left-hand side. You'll click on Profit and Loss, and then you'll scroll up and you'll change the date range to be whatever date range you're currently working on. Change this display columns by to say months. On the right-hand side, click on Run Report. This gives you a chance to look for any anomalies and anything that just kind of feels out of place. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, if you have any topics for future videos, or if you just want to chit chat, please leave me a note in the comments box or send me an email.